So ax plus by is equal to r mod n is the first linear congruence. Cx plus dy is equal to s mod n is the second linear congruence. We can see that x comma y are the two variables. Okay. Once the system of linear congruence is given, here we will write the value of a, b, c, d. Then we'll write the value of r. Then we'll write the value of s. Then we'll write the value of n separately from given. Then we will write the GCD of a comma b comma n. If that GCD is completely divisible by c, then we'll say the system has a solution. The second one, we'll find out the GCD of AD minus BC. Here we have all these values. A value we have here, D value we have, multiplied together, that is AD. B value we have here, C value we have here, multiplied together, we will get BC. Subtract these two, we'll get AD minus BC value, comma n. N value we already have here from here. Okay. So if the GCD of these two numbers is equal to 1, then we'll say the system has unique solution. Let us go to the problem, then we will understand clearly. The first problem, solve the system of equations. Okay, they have given two equations. We can see that first equation is 7x plus 3y congruent to 10 mod 16. Second equation is 2x plus 5y congruent to 9 mod 16. As I said, we will write the values of a, b, c, d. A is equal to 7, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 2, d is equal to 5. Make this as 5. Okay. Then r value we have as 10, s value we have as 9, n value is 16. Then what did I say? We'll write the GCD of these numbers a, b, n. A value we have as 7, b value we have as 3, 16, 16 as n. All right. The GCD of three numbers, how do we find? First number you write, second number you write, third number you write. First you write the factors of these numbers. What are the factors of 7? 1 comma 7 only. What are the factors of 3? 1 comma 3 only. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Among these factors, what are common? 1 is only the common, and it is only the highest, and this is only the highest. Therefore GCD is 1. Therefore we have written GCD of 7 comma 13 comma 3 comma 16 is equal to 1. And C value we have as 2. Okay, this means what? This means 2 is completely divided by 1. GCD value we have written here, C value we have written here. So 2 is completely divisible by 1. Therefore we'll write what? The system has a solution. Once the system has solution, we will find out the GCD of AD minus BC. Now what is A? A is 7. Okay, let us see here. AD minus BC. What is A? A is 7. What is D? D is 5. What is B? 3. What is C? 2. D is C is 2. We have 35 minus 6. How much will get? 29. That is what we have written here, 29. Okay, n value we have as 16. So make a correction that this must be 16. 29 comma, so GCD of 29 and 16. Let us find out. Factors of 16, we have 1, 2, 4, then 8, 16. Factors of 29, 1 and 29 itself. Okay, so highest common factor, that is the greatest common divisor, will be what? GCD will be 1. That is what here also we have written. GCD of 29, 16 is equal to 1. Therefore, the system has what? Unique solution. Then how do we proceed? We will take up the first equation as it is. We will write the first equation as it is and the second equation as it is, one below the other. Why? Previously we have solved the linear system of equations. Okay, so how do we solve that? By cancelling the terms. If we want to cancel this y term, the coefficient must be same. To make the coefficient same, we will multiply by other coefficient. Here we have 3, multiply this throughout by 5. Here we have 5, multiplied this throughout by 3. So we'll get what? Let us multiply here 35x plus first equation. 5 7 is a 35x. Second equation, plus 5 3 is a 15y congruent to 50 mod 16. Second equation you multiply by 3, we'll get 3 2 is a 6x plus 15y congruent to 9 mod 16. Okay, subtract them. How much we'll get? These two will go away. I'll get 29x congruent to 50 minus 9. Oh, this must be 27. 50 minus 27 is 23. That is mod 16. Okay. Now this also can be reduced by like this. 29 minus 16 is 13x congruent to 23 minus 16 is 7 mod 16. That is what we have written. So 13x congruent to 7 mod 16. Now, as usual, we find out the values of x such that this congruence is true. Okay, either you can take the multiples of 7, multiples of 16, or else by substituting the k value as k is equal to 2, which gives us the value of x is equal to 3. Okay, previously we have already solved, so work on that. So we'll get the value of x is equal to 3. So once we get the value of x is equal to 3, let us consider the first equation, that is 7x plus 3y congruent to 10 mod 16. Substitute the value of x as 3 here, 7 of 3. Okay, 7 of 3 will be 21 plus 3y congruent to 10 mod 16. Here from here we'll get 3y. 10 minus 21 will be minus 11 mod 16. Here also the same procedure. For the value of x is equal, for the value of k is equal to 2, we'll get the value y is equal to 7. Okay, therefore x value also we have got, y value also we have got. That will be the solution for your linear system of congruences.